I wonder what's in all those boxes over there. Well, goddamn it, I think I'm gonna come back tonight and find out. So I spotted this little number earlier in the day on my way home from work, and I seen them just hocking boxes full of something. So, yeah, holy shit. Not really sure what's in these yet, but we are about to find the fuck out. Huh, check this out. These are boxes of springtime sugar cookie kits. And boxes of cookie cutters. Huh, okay. Shit, okay, now we're talking. Little mini peanut butter cups. You are definitely coming home with daddy. What we got in this one? Huh. Oh, it's actually like packaging for muffin mix. Man, there's all sorts of shit in here. Hold on a second. Gory Cupcake Decor Kit. Dude, that's badass. Oh, I gotta get to that layer. I'm snagging at least 2 or 3 boxes of these. Man. More. Check these out. What? Damn, that's fucking awesome. Damn, man. Whoever said dumpster diving wasn't work, fuck y'all. Oh, I'm like a tunnel rat. Jesus. There's so much shit in here, though. Peppermint candy sticks. Look at this. Look. Oh, those are about to go to work. Yeah, the guys at work put down 25 packs of honey cherry Ricolas in like a week. Those motherfuckers will eat anything.